Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today I've got a Ryobi 2-cycle trimmer here. I picked this up last year, I believe. I've never used it, and it's in very, very good condition. I think it's brand new, actually. When I bought this, I think I may have bought a saw as well. It looked like maybe the same person may have donated it, and the saw ran great. But this I never used, and just looking at it, I can tell that it's brand new, that it's never been used before. Let's kind of take a close-up. It is the full crank. I'm not exactly sure what the full crank means here. Did a little bit of reading, and it says that there's bearings on each side of the crankshaft. Don't know a whole lot about that, really. Also, this has the easy start or zip start. I'll go over that in a second, but let's take a look at the trimmer. You can see the gas still has a sticker there. Lines look, brand new. Doesn't look like there's been any gas in there. You can probably see the filter. Very, very clean and white still. It's got this protective coating still on here, but that's not unusual, but just you can see how clean it is, so that tells me it's new. And the line here, it looks like it's never cut any grass. So picked this up. I did pay quite a bit, like $22.99, and wanted to do some trimming today, so I thought we would go ahead and try this. It is the curved shaft. You can interchange with this, I guess that's called the expanded, I think, but it's kind of short. It's kind of short, but yeah, I'm going to put some gas in this. It's 50 to 1 gas to oil. I saw that somewhere, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get some gas. Let me get it out of that Craftsman there, and then we will try to start this for the first time. Starting instructions. So we're going to press the primer bulb 10 times. We're going to set to full choke right here after we press it. We're going to squeeze the trigger, the throttle here, and we'll hold that all the way till we're finished here with step 7. But yeah, we're going to hold it, and then we're going to pull starter rope until the engine attempts to start max 4 times. Then we will set to half choke, and then we'll pull the starter rope until the engine starts, wait 10 seconds, and then we'll set to run. So we'll be holding the throttle all the way through that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get set up here with the tripod. Full choke. Okay, let's do some trimming. good. Okay, I'm going to try the bump start out here. Okay, I got quite a bit of trimming done there. Just about all that gas that I put in there, which was close to 3/4 of a tank, I guess. Got it all over the trimmer there, and my shoes and pants here. I'm gonna get the blower out here in a second, but yeah, runs good. I'm not used to these curved trimmers, and hard to get into some areas that I need to really trim, especially under like boxwood, shrubs, places that I usually like to just push a straight shaft in there that's a little longer than this. So that was awkward. It's pretty light though. I do like that. Also the bump, quick bump or whatever they call it, that didn't work so well, but I guess that's all according to how the string was put in there. I had to use my hand to do that. Only one time. The string that's on this, I do like the string. I'm not sure what it is, but I only had to pull extra cord out once because I cut some vine stuff, and it cut some of that cord, or wore some of it, wore it down. So I had to bump that one time, and couldn't bump it, so I had to pull it with my hand. But got a lot of trimming done. Wasn't able to record it, but enough. It worked out well. It's just a little awkward. I don't know if I'll be using this too much more. I do like the quick start, so really that counts for a lot. If I can't get a trimmer started, I may have to go with this, and just adapt. So anyway, that is the Ryobi full crank 2-cycle 25cc. This is pretty inexpensive, I believe. I think I saw it for like 119 bucks or something, but something to consider. And if it starts like it did today all the time, then that is something really, really big to consider. So thanks for watching the video. Until next time, have a great day and take care.